I wanted to show you what some of the solutions will look like in well plates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the camera down real close to the well plates here, wait for it to focus, and then you can get a good impression about what we're seeing. In the first three well plates we don't see any real action. Now the solution in there is a little bit green, but that's about all you can really say about it. In the other three well plates, the next three well plates here, you can see that there's no real action going on. Now in these you can see that there is a bit of a change in the solution. The one on the far left is blue. The one in the middle is actually cloudy and has a precipitate. And the next one has really no change, and that one has no change next to it as well. But let's go back to these three here. So what we can do is, just to sort of verify what we're doing, if you think there's a change, what I recommend you do is put it onto a white piece of paper, and that can make some changes appear a little bit more clearly. Like the blue there, you can clearly see it now against a white background. The cloudiness and the precipitate here in this one, the one that's in the middle, is a bit clearer on the black. I want to show you some of the variation you're going to see in the thickness of some precipitates. So if you look at the one that's in the far left of the shot, you'll see that has a slight precipitate to it as well as a greenish tinge. The one in the middle is a very thick white precipitate. That's very obvious. The one next to it on the far right has no precipitate at all associated with it. Moving over, you can see the one on the left has a very slight precipitate. The one in the middle has a greater amount of precipitate, and again the one on the far right has a great deal of white precipitate. I want you to focus on the two well plates that are in the center of the shot here, over to the left actually. And what I want you to see is, if you want to try and find evidence of heat, look for condensation on the side of the well plate. Now look on the well plate above, you don't see the condensation. Now look on the well plate that's on the far left here, you can see the condensation on the side of the well plate. Likewise in the one next to it that's more closer to the center of the shot, both of those do have some condensation on the inside of the well plate. One other thing you'll occasionally see is the formation of smoke, and that is also a valid observation. You can see it in there.